Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
In this video, I will discuss the protective devices used in electric circuits. The electrical equipments are designed to carry a particular rated value of current under normal circumstances. But during abnormal conditions such as short circuit, overload, or any fault, the current raises above the rated current and hence damaging the equipment and sometimes resulting in fire hazard. Fuse is a safety device used in any electrical installation which forms the weakest link between the supply and the load. It is made up of lead tin alloy and is having a short length of wire. It is having a low melting point and low ohmic losses. Under normal operating conditions, it is designed to carry the full load current of the circuit. If the current increases beyond the designed value due to any of the reasons which are mentioned earlier, the fuse melts or it blows and hence isolates the power supply from the load and protects the circuit. You can observe this main fuse is designed for 15 ampere capacity. Beyond this value, if current increases or raises, the fuse will melts. The fuse will melts and protects the circuit. It isolates the supply and the load. In the same way, these are also the fuses which will protect the respective circuits when the current raises beyond the designed value. Characteristics of fuse material. The material used for fuse wires must have the following characteristics. First one is a low melting point, low ohmic losses, high conductivity and lower rate of deterioration. These are the characteristics carried by the fuse material. Different types of fuses are rewirable or KitKat fuse. These fuses are simple in construction, cheap and available up to a current rating of 200 ampere. They are erratic in operation and their performance deteriorates with time. Next one is a plug fuse. The fuse carrier is provided with a glass window for a visual inspection of the fuse wire. Another one is a cartridge fuse. Fuse wire, usually an alloy of lead, is enclosed in a strong fiber casing. The fuse element is fastened to copper caps at the ends of the casing. They are available up to a voltage rating of 25 kilovolt. They are used for protection in lighting installations and power lines. Miniature cartridge fuse. These are the miniature version of the higher rating cartridge fuses which are extensively used in automobiles, TV sets and the other electronic equipments. Transformer fuse blocks. These porcelain housed fuses are placed on secondary of the distribution transformers for protection against short circuits and overloads. Next is expulsion fuses. These consist of fuse wire placed in a hollow tube of fiber lined with acetotes. These are suited only for outdoor use, for example, protection of high voltage circuits. Next is semi-enclosed rewirable fuses. These have limited use because of low breaking capacity. Time delay fuse. These are specially designed to withstand a current overload for limited time and find application in motor circuits. Let me discuss HRC cartridge fuse. The high rupturing capacity or HRC fuse consists of a heat resistance ceramic body. Then silver or bimetallic fuse element is welded to the end brass caps. The space surrounding the fuse element is filled with the quartz powder. This filler material absorbs the arc energy and extinguishes it. When the current exceeds the rated value, the element melts and vaporizes. The vaporized silver fuses with the quartz and offers a high resistance and the arc is extinguished. Advantages of the HRC fuse are fast acting, highly reliable, relatively cheaper in comparison to other high current interrupting devices. The disadvantages of HRC fuse are requires replacement after every use. The associated high temperature rise will affect the performance of other devices. So this is the figure for the HRC cartridge fuse. This is the brass end cap. This is the ceramic body. This is the fuse link contactable. This is the filling powder. Terms related with fuses. Rated current. It is the maximum current which a fuse can carry without undue heating or melting. It depends on the following factors. First one is permissible temperature rise of the contacts of the fuse holder and the fuse material. Second factor is the degree of deterioration due to oxidation. The next term is a fusing current. The minimum current at which the fuse melts is known as the fusing current. It depends on the material characteristics, length, diameter, cross-sectional area of the fuse element and the type of enclosure used. Next factor is the fusing factor. It is the ratio of the minimum fusing current to the rated current. It is always greater than unity. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Circuit breakers used in residential and light commercial installations at low voltages are called as miniature circuit breakers. Single pole breakers situated in cabin used for tripping during the ground faults. A miniature circuit breaker is an electromechanical device which makes and breaks the circuit in normal operation and disconnects the circuit under the abnormal condition when current exceeds a preset value. MCB is a high fault capacity current limiting trip-free automatic switching device with thermal and magnetic operation to provide protection against overload and short circuit. Let me tell you what is the meaning of electric shock. When person comes in contact with live wire supplying electricity, he receives a shock. The maximum current the human body can withstand for a short time, that is not more than 25 milliseconds, is 30 milliampere. Human body is a good conductor of electricity when it is wet. How to prevent from shock? Care must be taken to see that ground points are properly provided to all the sockets to which electrical appliances are connected. Proper earthing has to be provided, and periodically the earthing resistance has to be checked to see that it does not exceed 3 to 5 ohm. Cover all electrical sockets with plastic safety caps. This is how we can prevent from the shock. Thank you for watching this video.